Hey guys, this is Surasoni and you are watching ChemStar. So friends, once again, welcome back on ChemStar. So friends, in today's session, I am going to discuss with you what is coordination compound, what is coordination entity, what is central metal atoms or ions, and what is ligands. Along with that, we will also see what is counter ions and what is coordination sphere. So let's start for today's session. So for making you understand all these questions, I am going to take an example of one coordination compound which is nothing but K4FeCN6. Alright, so with the help of this coordination compound, we will understand whole these questions. Alright, so let's begin with the first question. So first question is, what is coordination compound? Alright, so coordination compound is nothing but a chemical compound which contain two entities, a metal and a ligand, and both are enclosed by a square bracket. Such type of chemical compounds are called as coordination compound. So friends, I hope you have understood what is coordination compound. Coordination compound is nothing but compound which contains two entities, one is metal, other is ligand, both are enclosed in square bracket. Alright, so this is called a coordination compound. Next is, what is coordination entities? Alright, so in coordination compound, we know two entities are enclosed in a square bracket, and both these entities, that means metal and the ligands, are nothing but the coordination entity. Alright, two component which is present inside the square bracket are called as coordination entity. So coordination entities are iron and the ligand CN. Alright, so here we have understood what is coordination entity also. Next question is, what is central metal atom or ion? Alright, so in coordination compound, we know in the square bracket there are two entities, one is metal, other is ligand, and the metal is called as a central metal ion, because when we draw the structure formula of coordination compound, we will always find metal in the center of the coordination compound. Alright, so that's why it is called as central metal atom. Alright, we can see here also, here FeCN6. Alright, K4FeCN6. This is a structure of K4FeCN6. We can see here Fe is in the center. That's why it is called as a central metal ion or atoms. Alright, we have done with three questions. Now the next and the fourth question is, what is ligands? Alright, so ligand is nothing but a chemical compound which is responsible for donating a pair of electrons to the central metal atom for the formation of covalent bonds. Alright, so in coordination compound, always remember central metal atom and the ligands are the two entities. Central metal atom is a Lewis acid and the ligand is a Lewis base. So always ligands donate pair of electron to the central metal atom for the formation of this covalent bonds. These are called as a covalent bond. As we know, always covalent bond is represented by a one-sided arrow. Alright, so we have done with four questions also. Let's move to the fifth question. Fifth question is, what is counter ion? Alright, so counter ion, here basically what is counter ion? Counter ion is a component in the, we can say, coordination. Counter ion is a component in the coordination compound which helps in the balancing the charge of the coordination compound. For example, if we see here, iron always carries +2 charge, right, and CN always carry -1 charge. So we have 6 CN here, so it will carry -6 charge and iron will carry +2 charge. So +2 and -6 will not be balanced. Alright, so for balancing the charge of this coordination compound, we have taken 4 potassium here, and potassium carries always +1 charge. So +4 and +2 will become +6 and -6 of CN minus. Alright, so it will be a balanced coordination compound. So always remember, counter ion is nothing but it is a ion which helps in the balancing of the coordination compound. Alright, so next question is, what is coordination sphere? So coordination sphere is very simple. We can say coordination sphere is nothing but a So friends, last question is what is coordination sphere? So let's see what is coordination sphere in the coordination compound. Alright, so we know in the coordination compound there are two entities which are enclosed in a square bracket which are called as a coordination compound. Alright, so this two entities along with the square brackets are called as a coordination sphere. So friends, I hope you have found this video useful. So thank you very much for watching this video till end. Thanks again. Keep watching, keep learning. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe the channel ChemStar. So thanks again.